holds the button, and they're on their way. One slow out. Number 7, Walk the Talk. Summit Dancer draws for your lead, sneaking in down on the inside is the favorite, My Bukas Pa. Dynamic Love moving up on the outside, My Sweet Leonora. There goes 7A, Emergency Call. Then followed by Replacement. Next in line, You Belong to Me. Dugos Sprite second last, and a long way back to Walk the Talk. Heading towards the 1,000-meter mark, My Bukas Pa in command by Haplenk. Running on the outside, My Sweet Leonora down in third, Emergency Call. Dynamic Love now catching the fourth spot, followed by Summit Dancer. Then comes You Belong to Me Replacement, Dugo Sprite, and trailing the group still is Walk the Talk. Heading towards the final 600, My Bukas Pa maintaining a length lead over My Sweet Leonora. Dynamic Love now getting closer and catching the second spot as they turn towards the last 450. No change with the leader, My Bukas Pa by about a length and a half. Running in second, Dynamic Love moving up, You Belong to Me, and Dugos Sprite is sneaking in down on the inside is Emergency Call with the last 150 more to run. My Bukas Pa by about 6 lengths now. Dugos Sprite moving up on the outside to take second, My Sweet Leonora, Dynamic Love, and finally, My Bukas Pa. Dugos Sprite, My Sweet Leonora, then comes number 7, Walk the Talk, You Belong to Me for your Pentapecta.